crunch into a burst of freshness with this raw carrot salad. I found some beautiful fresh dill growing in my garden, so let's get started. If using a box grater, try using it on its side, it's much easier on your hand. Place the grated carrots in a bowl, and then chop your shallots, and that fresh dill. Combine it all together in the bowl. Then, for the vinaigrette, combine the olive oil, liquid honey, fresh lemon juice, a bit of salt, and Dijon mustard. Whisk it all together and pour it into your carrot salad. Give it a quick toss and then place in your serving platter. Sprinkle it with a bit more dill, and if you want, add some toasted pine nuts and currants. I hope you get to try this recipe soon. Thanks for watching. Click on the icon to subscribe to our channel and click on the video for more recipes.